In this tutorial, we'll walk through how to create a new purchase order using the Manage Purchase Orders app. Let's begin. From the Fiori Home screen, click on the Manage Purchase Orders app. Then, click Create to start creating a new purchase order. First, enter the supplier for the order. If you don't know the internal supplier number, you can begin typing the vendor's name, and the system will suggest relevant suppliers for you to choose from. After selecting the supplier, you'll notice that several fields are automatically filled in, based on the business partner master data. These include, for example, the company code, purchasing organization, and currency. Now, scroll down a little bit or click the Items tab from the top row. Let's add our item. If a material number exists for the material you are purchasing, start by entering the material number. If no material number is available, enter a description for the material or product you are purchasing. After entering the material number, you need to select the plant code for which the materials are ordered for. You also need to enter the order quantity and the net order price. If a purchasing info record is available, the material price is automatically populated based on the info record. Next, we'll add freight charges using an item-level condition. First, open the full item line details by clicking the line. Then, click the Pricing tab from the top under the line item number. From the pricing table, you can see all the item-level pricing conditions relevant to this item. To include freight costs, you need to add a new pricing condition. Click Create and then insert the condition type, FVA1. Enter the amount for the freight costs and then click Enter. You can see that the freight costs have been added to the pricing table. Click the arrow button to move back to the Order Overview screen. Now, let's add a header text. Click the Notes tab from the top of the screen. Choose the text type, for example, header note. Then enter the text you wish to be visible on the purchase order. Before saving, you should always check for any potential warning messages issued by the system. Click the Messages icon in the bottom left corner. Here, the system will display any warnings or errors so you can review and fix them before continuing. After checking the warning messages, you are ready to create the order. Click the Order button. If the purchase order is successfully created, you'll see a confirmation message saying that the purchase order has been created. And that's it. You've just created a new purchase order using the Manage Purchase Orders app.